How to make money with Amazon. In today's video, I will talk to you about 9 different ways where you can go and make a commission and make money from Amazon. So if you are looking for a side hustle, a new way to make a little extra income, or if you just want to go out there, start a new career, then hang on and join me for the next few minutes and see how you can get started and make money today. I'm Ralf Straaberg, and if you like what you see here, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. How to make money with Amazon. Here I will show you 9 different ways where you can make money when you go on Amazon.com. So the first thing you will do is you will log into Amazon.com online, and if you go down here, there's this area where you can see make money with us. Here you can click on anything that you are particularly interested in. I'll start out with telling you a little bit about how to become an affiliate. If you click the affiliate, you go into this site. What it is here on Amazon Associates, it is an area where you can put links on your website, in your YouTube channel, anywhere like this. And then what happens is when people they click on your link and they go and buy anything from Amazon, then you get up to 10% commissions. The commissions vary a little bit about what kind of service it is they are buying from you. So keep an eye on, but in general, you can see that there are many different ways you can make money, and the good thing about this is maybe you put a link for a t-shirt or you put for some makeup, and when they are on Amazon they buy a few other things also, then you get the commission for everything they buy in Amazon within the next 24 hours. So it can add up. Even if you just sell a link to something that's cheap or a small price, you can still add up and get to a really good commission at the end of the month. Another thing you can do to make money from Amazon is if you go in and you have your own web shop. If you are into e-commerce and you sell products online, then you can team up with Amazon and have a store on Amazon. That way you get a whole lot more traffic and you get a lot more people to see what it is you are actually selling. That way you will really increase your sales. Everything will skyrocket for you, as opposed to maybe if you only just had your own website and you were to rely on people to go and find your website from a search in Google or something like this. So that would be a really great way for you to make a lot of extra money, and they have different plans. You can choose to pay per product you sell, or you can go in and make a deal where you go and you pay a monthly fee. So it's up to you, depending on what kind of volume, what is the how much do you earn on each sale you make. So you know this, but go in and check this out. This would be a really great way for you to make extra money if you have your own online shop. Another thing is Amazon FBA, and Amazon FBA is really popular. What you will see here when you go to Amazon FBA is that they do all the work for you. You have your products are stored in Amazon warehouses, and they do all the packing, they do all the shipping and everything for you. All you have to do is be there and make sure that you do the sales and you provide some people that go and buy your products. So this is an easy way to make money and to actually go out and generate an extra income for you. If you are smart, if you know how to do technical stuff, if you know how to develop apps and everything like this, then you can make an extra income also here from Amazon. Amazon has an app store where you can have your app featured and you can make money from that app when it sells. So maybe you have your app already on iTunes, or maybe you have it in the Google Play Store, but you can also have it here in the Amazon App Store. And if I were developing apps, I would definitely also put it up here, because if people go and they see and they buy from here, then you get an extra commission, you get generate extra revenue for you, and you have not really lost anything by doing so. This one is for all of you people who like to read. If you like to read, and if you are creative about writing, if you write your own books, if you make your own cookbooks, anything like this, then you have a really good chance to make an extra income. They have Amazon Kindle, and if you don't know what Kindle is like a small book. You have electronic book where your books are inside, and you can see everything like if you had on an iPad or something like this. Kind of similar to this, and everything that's published there you can get a commission from if it's your product that they go and buy or something like this. And you can also do print books. If you have print books, you can go and do it like this also, get commissions from printed version of your books when you sell through here. And what's probably more interesting for a lot of people in this day and age is that you can actually also make your own audiobooks. If they get bought on Amazon or Audible, then you get extra commissions also from your sales there. So a good way to make extra money. And one thing that could be really interesting for you is if you want to go into Kindle and make books, you can maybe you know something about make cookbooks. You can find a program where you can make your own online books, put some nice pictures in there and put it up here and sell it and make an extra commission. Or if you say, but I want to actually make money from this, but I'm not really good at writing books or something like this, then you can have somebody write a book for you and publish it here. Or you can do something where you use PLR, which is private label rights, which actually means that you buy a product where you buy the rights to resell this. Somebody have maybe written a book about cooking or a book about some story, a novel of any kind, and you buy the rights to this, and then you can resell it and get a commission for this later on. So this is a really great way for you to also make money. You can also go into this, and I love this one. This is kind of a hidden gem, not too many people know about this, but Amazon Handmade, which is a really great site. Also, if you are an artist, this is only for people who make their own products. This is artisan products, handcrafted goods. So if you are making your own pottery, if you make leather, or if you're an artist, you make real paintings, not digital, real paintings and things like this. If you make your own jewelry, all these kinds of things, then you can sell them here and you can make a commission. And this would be a really great place to actually get seen and get some extra commissions from your sales on a daily basis. But maybe all this is not really for you, and say, but I want to do something, I'm more like some kind of guy who wants to get outside or something like this. Then you also have Amazon Flex if you are in the US. Amazon Flex is for you who actually wants to deliver all the goods that people buy. It can be Amazon Prime, or if they buy from Amazon.com, then you deliver to the people in your area. You are kind of like if you were like an Uber, but you were just going for goods. So there are different kinds of rules for what you need to do to sign up for Amazon Flex, but if it's just for delivering of food like this, you can have just any kind of car. But if it's from the goods from the Amazon.com stores, then you will kind of need a medium-sized Ford or sedan or SUV or something like this to make sure that you have room for whatever it is people have ordered. And you can make commissions from between $18 to $25 an hour, which is actually pretty good if you are just looking for this kind of job. And last but not least, if you really like customer service and chatting with the people, then they have virtual locations. This means that you are working from home, just from your computer and telephone, and then you service all the people who have questions and write emails or write in the chat. And a lot of times they will also be looking for people who have special skills in special languages. So maybe if you are good in Portuguese or Spanish or French or something like this, they could be asking for special people who have these kind of skills. So this is also worldwide, and no matter where you live in the world, you can actually do something like this. So if you have something special, you think that this was something you really want to get into, drop a comment down in the comment field below, and let me know what was your favorite part of this, and if it's something you want to get right into right away. So let me know, I'm curious to know. If you like what you see here, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss a beat and never miss an upload when I put out new content. I'm happy you stayed and happy you were here. Join me next time for more goodies.